We begin with your Consumer Watch. This week's interest rate hike already being felt in the financial world, with the Federal Reserve announcing that it's raising rates 3/4 of a percentage point. The Dow Jones falling today by nearly 2.5%. The Nasdaq fell by over 4%. And the S&P 500 fell by 3.25%.
The Federal Reserve is expecting a follow-up rate hike in July. Many economists sounding the alarm tonight about a possible looming recession.
And that rate hike by the Fed, the largest in nearly 3 decades.
The decision already rippling down to the Colorado Springs housing market. News 5's Mayo Davison is live tonight to explain what home buyers and sellers need to know. Mayo.
Yeah, realtors say they're already seeing the impacts. This is the first time that we've pushed up home values so high, then ramped up interest rates. They say it's only going to make it worse for those first-time home buyers.
It's really gotten to the point where teachers can't afford to live in the districts that they teach.
The harsh reality for 7th grade teacher Carrie Fox. She's always wanted to become a homeowner, but it's been an uphill battle.
I couldn't do it. You know, when a condo is selling, a condo, not a house, a condo is selling for $350,000. It just puts it out of our range.
Which she doesn't believe will get better with the Federal Reserve increasing interest rates.
It's either got 50 bids on it, including corporations, or nothing. Nobody's bidding on the house. So it's a very interesting market right now.
However, realtors are already seeing a shift in the market. Houses are taking longer to sell, the available inventory is growing, and they're seeing price reductions.
When you go from 4% to 4.5% to 5% to 5.5% to 6% interest rates, when you start adding 2% interest rates, that starts affecting buying power very quickly.
Colorado Springs has already been stretched on values. Low interest rates pushed them. A lack of inventory created a gap, and now these new rates are trying to restructure it.
If interest rates remain up, is housing has to come back down. So medium house price should ultimately match, let's say, a medium income, and we have not been there for a couple years.
It only spells bad news for home buyers.
Leaving Colorado, I am having an adventure. I'm going to Bogota, Colombia, and they're paying for a furnished 2-bedroom apartment for me.
Realtors say that sellers now have to be more aware of what's going on in the market, price accordingly, and be patient, while buyers may have a little bit more time with houses on the market. Anyone with questions is asked to reach out to their realtor. In Colorado Springs, Mayo Davison, News 5.